Uy! Popocomito. Damn, Fat Joe. I mean, I know it's summertime and it's hot outside and everything, but put your goddamn barriga away, puñeta. Ain't nobody trying to see that on the timeline. Because first of all, why is Fat Joe's head so little compared to the rest of his body? He's shaped like a snowman. And second of all, why is this boy just staring at him in admiration like, wow, I wish I could show off my barriga like that, but I don't want to go through a bochorno. You got some bolas, Fat Joe. And he really do, because that ain't even no regular looking barriga either. That shit look like it got some type of bacterial infection on it. Like, that shit look contagious. Matter of fact, zoom in on Fat Joe's barriga and let's investigate what the hell is wrong with it. Oi! Popocomito otra vez. This shit can't be no more, yo. How the hell does his chichos have chichos on top of chichos? Man, that shit look like a wrinkly toto. Man, that belly button looking like a culo hole. Looking like a culo hole with hemorrhoids. Man, his stomach need to be ironed. That skin looking like melted cheese. Like, if you look closely, it look like bolas. It look like two bolas, two wrinkly bolas, yo. It look like he got two wrinkly testicles for a stomach.